Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting immediate access. Remove the knob now and protect the guitar body with a cloth. Once done, take off the backplate or pickguard so you can see the potentiometer assembly and fasteners. You want to identify the source of looseness, worn bushing, loose nut, stripped shaft, or a missing washer, because that determines the fix. As you inspect, keep screws and parts organized in order. It makes reassembly faster and prevents surprises. Once you start tightening, now you take action on the defect. If the nut is loose, tighten it snugly with a proper wrench. Stop when the pot no longer spins freely but still rotates smoothly. If the shaft is stripped or the bushing is worn, replace the washer or the entire pot. Match resistance, value, and taper for tone consistency. Also inspect solder joints. A loose lug can feel like a loose knob. After repairs, test continuity and knob movement so you confirm both mechanical and electrical integrity. To finish, reassemble in reverse order and press the knob back on. Check that rotation is firm and smooth with no vertical play. If wobble persists after tightening and replacement, consider using a thin washer shim or replace the pot with the exact spec. That's the only reliable long-term fix. Finally, plug in and play loud enough to hear any crackle. If you get noise, go back and reflow suspect solder joints. If problems continue, swap the pot and retest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.